What's the meaning of applause? Applause. Applause.
Applause. Applause. The word applause refers to the act of displaying approval or admiration by clapping one's hands. It is a common form of expression used in various settings such as concerts, plays, speeches, and sporting events. The sound of applause typically signals a positive response to a performance or presentation and creates a sense of validation and recognition for the performer. The duration and intensity of applause can reflect the level of enthusiasm or appreciation of the audience and often serves as a measure of success for the individual being applauded.